Hey everybody, it's Liz with Liz Attempts Budgets. I am here today to do a penny challenge. I know I've been kind of lax on videos the last week or so, and it's going to be kind of lax for the next couple of weeks as well. August just was not a good month for me. I keep getting sick and I've just got some stuff going on, so more focused on that than I am on budgeting. Also, update on my car, it was over twice the amount that I was quoted, but part of that's my fault. I added some stuff on to get fixed, but I had to pull from a lot of envelopes to pay for it. It was over $1,100 all total, but that's taken care of. And then because of that, I actually had to use my money that I usually budget with in my videos to pay for it, so that's why there's no video for there. And then I just haven't been feeling good, so I'm not going to do a budgeting video again for this pay period. I did stuff the envelopes that need stuffed for like my save ahead stuff, but other than that, I'm not really worried about anything. I also have to take a trip this week, so I needed to put some money towards that. So that's what this week's budget went towards. So it'll be a couple of weeks before I have any budgeting videos out there. Hopefully by then I'm back to being more my normal self. So I am going to do a penny challenge update. This is for the last couple of weeks. So I am going to go ahead, get it counted up, and I will be right back. Okay, so let's go ahead and count the money up. I do apologize for the state of my hands. I have paint all over myself from a little project I was trying to do that I didn't finish. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 10, 20, 30, 2 cents. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 1, 2, 3, 32. So $50.32. I did change my little jars around a little bit. The coins are in one, the dollar bills are in another. There was just getting to be too many dollar bills to have intermingled with everything, and I don't know why I was separating them. It all just goes to the bank in one container anyway. It is almost time to go get the coins get the change counted again. So I might do that this week. I might wait on it, but it's gonna be a short week, so I don't know. Okay, so we left off at $3.36. So minus 3.36. I might get a different color. Let's do blue. You know what? I don't ever do pink. Let's do pink. Okay. So, right, minus 3.35. Minus 3.34. Minus 3.33. Okay, and that leaves us with 194. All right, it is right here. It's not too bad for a couple weeks worth. And that is going to be everything. We're going to leave off at $3.32 for the next week. Hopefully I get it done this next week. But anyway, thanks for being here with me. I will see you on the next video. Bye.